Starting off with a beautifully roasted sweet potato, soft, steamy, and ready to be filled with something a little special. But before we get to all that, we've got some prep to do. Today we're taking a look at a simple, comforting stuffed sweet potato with crispy chickpeas and a creamy cashew sauce. It's wholesome, hearty, and requires absolutely zero culinary acrobatics. So let's get to it. Taking a nice large sweet potato, I'm gonna start by poking it all over with a fork. No need to be gentle here. The idea is to let the steam escape while it cooks. Once it's nice and perforated, it goes onto a baking dish and into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 40-45 minutes, basically until it's tender enough to give without resistance. Meanwhile, taking half of a medium onion or one small onion and slicing it up. I'm tossing that into a chopper to get a fine chop. Then, in a frying pan, adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and in goes the chopped onion. Meanwhile, taking half of a medium onion or one small onion and slicing it up. I'm tossing that into a chopper to get a fine chop. Then, in a frying pan, adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil or whatever cooking oil is currently winning in your kitchen, and in goes the chopped onion. We'll sauté this until it turns translucent. Season with salt to taste, followed by 1½ cups of boiled chickpeas, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, paprika, or really any spices you're feeling at the moment. Let this fry until the chickpeas get a bit crisp around the edges. We want texture here. For the sauce, into a small blender go 3 tablespoons of soaked cashew nuts. You can use walnuts or any nuts because we're flexible like that, plus about 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, a small handful of parsley or coriander, 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a splash of water. Blend until you get a creamy, pourable sauce. Back to our now golden chickpeas. Adding about 2 tablespoons of spinach paste. I'm using frozen, but fresh spinach leaves will do just fine. Stir and cook for just a minute or two. Our sweet potato should be done by now. Let's cut it open, soft, steamy, and ready for company. Spoon the chickpea mixture generously over the sweet potato, and then drizzle our creamy sauce right on top. And that's it. A surprisingly filling, incredibly satisfying plate of comfort. If you give this one a try, let me know how it went, because I happen to think it's pretty fantastic. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy cooking.